Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful, unique in itself, because in this video you are going to watch a creative, beautiful blend of handmade, hand embroidered, stylish, decent and elegant design ideas of women wear. Yes friends, you can see side neckline dresses with a very easy, beautiful color combination ideas with a simple and easy to make hand embroidery stitches. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So now let's move back towards our discussion. Friends, all of these dresses are very beautiful. You can wear them for your everyday classy and stylish look without spending a lot of money for buying designer dresses, highly paid dresses. You can make these very beautiful hand embroidered dresses, hand embroidered kurta, hand embroidered kurti, shorts, shirts by just following these patterns. And if you are a beginner of hand embroidery and you are in search of very simple, decent, elegant and beautiful, easy to make hand embroidery ideas for your dresses, then friends, you are at a right platform, and this video collection is absolutely for you, because in this video you are going to see a large number of wide variety of design ideas of ladies, girls, young girls, teenagers and even the older age women's as well. So friends, you can get a design ideas of light and dark color, very beautiful mixture and blend of ideas, along with a very beautiful representation of decent, delicate and unique ideas. So friends, kindly do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to leave comments below our video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. And kindly don't go anywhere, watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and decent ideas of women dress designing. Friends, now our important and simple and easy question that is mostly under concern and again being asked by my YouTube friends and family members, that where you can use these very beautiful, simple, decent and elegant dress designing ideas. Friends, you can use for your everyday school, college, university look for decent, elegant and delicate color combination with a light and comfortable dresses for your daily routine work, office work, and even if you are a housewife, then you can look classy and stylish even doing your domestic duties. So keep watching my content and keep supporting us like as you always have been, and stay tuned for my next upcoming video. Up till then, go watch my channel, explore a lot of designing ideas related to women fashion. On my channel you can get trendy, stylish, amazing ideas related to women fashion, hand embroidery, hand art, machine embroidery, fabric painting ideas, baby girl dress designing, western dresses, eastern dresses, Arabic style dresses, Indian dresses, and many more creative girls fashionable accessories like crochet designing ideas, footwear, handmade bags, clutch, claspers, nail art design ideas, mehndi designs, jewelry design ideas, and much more related to women fashion.